Right, hello everyone and welcome back to another video. It has been almost a whole year since my last upload. Things with university just got busy, and I'll be honest, I wanted to go down some of the 3D printing videos route. Didn't really know how to do them though. Quick update though, I sold my Ender 3 Neo, and before I sold it, I got a Creality K1C. Lovely printer. Such an upgrade. It's really amazing. So I'm definitely going to be using that in the future. But I thought, you know what? It's a new year. Why not take the opportunity to try just start being a bit more consistent with the videos and the uploads. So today, what we are going to do is we are going to redo a bit of my desk by taking an old board that I've got to the side there, and we are going to make a monitor riser just to elevate things slightly, create more storage space underneath my monitor and my laptop, as I'll show you what it's like now. And yeah, we will cut the board. I'm thinking of making a bit of an L shape. I'm probably gonna draw this out just so that I can have a better idea of the work that I'm giving myself. And yeah, we will 3D print risers for it. Hopefully, I'm sure there will be designs online somewhere that will work. And yeah, welcome along. And I hope that everyone has a fantastic 2026. As you can see here, we've got our current desk set up. I finally got a proper chair, so I'm not using a dining room chair anymore. I think I've shown this before. Actually, I know I have. I got this nice large mouse mat, 3D printed laptop stand, so that the screens are kind of at the same angle. But the idea is just to raise it up a bit, so I also have some space underneath to store the clutter, and then we can do some stuff in time, because I've just got this light at the moment, which is lovely and adjustable, but we can do some work in time with better lighting and better cable management, and open us up to create a even better working environment. This is the board we're going to be using. As you can see, it's got nice depth to it, so it'll sit out nicely from the wall and also be able to fit the monitor stand properly. It is just over 120 centimeters long, so it is too long for my space to just have it as one whole piece. So the idea is we're going to take, oh my goodness, I cannot remember the name of this tool, but we are going to take this, cut a nice 45-degree angle. We'll measure up nicely, cut the angle, and then take the cut piece, fold it over, connect it back together. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that yet. And then we will have a nice L shape, which I can either put that way or this way, but I reckon the first way will be best. Now, as you can see, we've got our board here. I've measured from the wall to here is about 1 meter, so we're just gonna cut the board, or measure the board to 1 meter and then cut there. We'll draw the line first, of course, measure twice, cut once, all of that fun stuff. And then we are going to be cutting this by hand. Don't have any power tools for cutting wood, so I'm going to use a handsaw. Hopefully it's okay. I can sand anything that needs to be sanded, and then this is just going to be folded to here basically. Okay, so we got through. It's okay, I think, I hope. Let's see. And I'm going to vacuum this up. Mum, if you're watching, don't worry. It's going to be cleaned. It's going to be sorted out. Okay, so I'm clearly not great with the woodwork stuff, but hey, that's okay. That's not too shabby. It's angled up a bit, so I think I'm just going to sand the bottom sides down a bit, but I'm really not unhappy with that. Nice. So next step, I think we're just gonna have to clean it up a bit. I'm not sure if you can see from up there. Let's bring it down. But yeah, it's a bit rough, and especially if it's going to be the other way around. This side is fine, but let's remove the clamps. Okay, at least it's going to be the other way around. Another clamp here. Am I tightening it? Oh my god. Okay, well done, Declan. Let's flip this over. And you know what? Focus. It really doesn't look too bad. Could just do with a bit of sanding. But I don't know, all in all, honestly, not too shabby really, in my opinion. Finally managed to get 2 brackets printed, and what I'm going to do is I'm gonna drill holes for these. I don't want to do the second one too far up because I might need to just cut a bit of this off so that it'll fit in the corner properly. But I'm going to mark out spots for these holes, drill them, and then use screws to hold these in place. Now let's move this around. Let's see. Okay, no, it's not too shabby. Unfortunately, I have run out of black filament, hence why part of the bracket is white. So I was thinking what I do is I would varnish this, and then I'm going to see about one stand here and possibly in red, maybe one here, just because there will be weight in this area, so I think just some light support there, and then also finally one on this side. And if it needs another one in the middle or so, we'll do that. But for now, I think that's looking pretty good. Okay, it's a day later. The wood stain is nicely dry. I don't have any more black filaments, as I said, so I printed the 2 stand pieces out in blue because it's the filaments I have the most of. And I'm going to mark holes for these, drill them, and then hopefully just these 2 are enough. But if not, I will print another piece to come in this area. See if we make this wide angle. Nice. Okay. Now let's flip it over and see if it can stand. Okay, yeah, it's definitely going to need something in this back corner. We have our last 3D printed part here. Now it's just time to... Now let's see if it will stand. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Now it's just time for the final process of moving this all out the way, and then we are going to put the shelf in. looks of it, that's it. As you can see here, we've got this desk shelf, as I've been doing whole here. That piece at the back really works well, holds everything up nicely, and honestly, I'm not disliking the blue as much as I thought I would. I'm really so happy with how this has turned out. It's honestly better than I thought. It's really cool to combine incredibly basic woodworking with the 3D printing and have it come together as something so useful that I'll be honestly using a lot this year, and I would love to think that it's really going to aid in my studies. Thank you so much for watching. I know it's been a long time since the last upload. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you enjoyed. I hope everyone enjoyed. And I hope you will join us in the future, because I'm definitely planning on uploading more this year, and hopefully more project stuff as well, because that's the stuff that really interests me. I don't know if it interests you guys, let me know, but overall, I really love filming things that I want to do and that I enjoy doing. And if you happen to enjoy watching it, that's absolutely fantastic. And I hope to see you guys again soon. Cheers.